Did you know that there is a way to boost your production efficiency and increase your tablet output without investing in new machines? My name is Attila. Today I would like to dive into the world of monolithic multiple tip tools with you. With 2 or more tips per punch, you can achieve more with less, optimizing your existing infrastructure without further capital expenditure. These tools can handle a lot of format shapes off effortlessly. Compared to other multiple tip tools, our monolithic multiple tip tools offer better cleanability. They are designed with less gaps, making them easier to clean and maintain. The future of tabletting starts now. Cleaner, faster, more versatile. Transform your production line with just small changes. Visit our website for more information.
Fette compacting. Together for quality of life.